Hey again everybody, in another Zambian town, and got another treat for you. A 1996 Subaru Impreza WRX. Another one of my cousin's cars, and as you can already see, we're going to do another in-depth tour of the car. Just don't mind that dog lugs going under there. As you can see, I love doing these in-depth tours, and on my trip here, taking quite a few videos of the cars driving and whatnot. Even seen a few other JDM Superstar cars, but anyway, that's not the point of this video. Let's get on to the in-depth tour. Here are the keys. There's the car. I'll begin with the exterior. It's a gunmetal grey, but this car has actually recently been resprayed. It's actually color code from a Mercedes-Benz, so my cousin tells me. It's old style, starting in the front. Different bumper. Black Subaru badge. It's not on crystal though. Fog lamps. 17-inch multi-spoke wheels. Deeper dish, as you can see. The windows have been tinted, but slightly. Rear wiper. Sedan spoiler. And it's actually got like the USDM type tails, but this is actually the old style, so this is actually JDM tails. JDM tails if you look at it properly. And it's got a straight pipe exhaust, so this thing is actually really loud, but we'll get to that in a moment. Normal scoop, vents, and it's got the side skirts and everything. Not much to tell about the exterior, just, yeah, only wowing thing is that it's been resprayed. So anyway, let's get to the interior. Okay, the interior actually needs a bit of a clean. This car's actually been sitting for quite a bit. No problem I have to fix. Anywho, naughty Torino steering wheel. Old type gauges. This is actually the old type interior. I tried to clean it recently, but it's been a bit difficult. And I need to get proper cleaning materials. Door cards, electric windows. It's actually got central locking. No, it actually doesn't. No, it doesn't have. Sorry, my mistake. Blitz turbo timer. Lamco gauges. Pioneer radio. Ashtray and everything. I don't know where this squeaking sound's coming from. I should get that checked. I think this is actually a naughty Torino gear knob, but I actually can't really tell that much, but it's pretty finished. And also, I think this thing needs new bushings or something, but anyway. Jesus, the roof has actually been leaking. But we'll get that fixed. Tell my cousin about it. Aircon. Climate, no, not exactly climate control, but yeah, just aircon, let me just say. Tiger stripe JDM seats, front and rear, and it's actually quite a pretty little spacious car. Let me just get in the back quickly. Hi Ricky. This is actually my brother's driving position because he's been driving the car lately. My feet fit pretty well, and my legs. Oh no, you can't come in the car just yet. No. Ricky, behave. Love this dog. These seats are actually very comfortable. And it's got the Impreza door mats. Well, floor mats actually, not door mats, floor mats. Come on Ricky, move. Excuse me for sounding a little bit faint. I've been really sick lately. So that happens if you eat bad meat from a braai. 12-inch Pioneer sub. I'm sure that's 12 inches. Yeah, pretty sure. Jack and tools. Boot space is actually pretty good for this car. And get to the goodie bits. Let's start it. The steering wheel feels amazing. I actually got to drive this car. Let's turn that off. Try and get the latch out. There we go. 2-liter turbocharged boxer engine. Apparently I was told this, I think this is a swap from another Impreza, but I'm actually not too sure. HKS sequential. It's really not stock. HKS high cylindrical motors. HKS filter. I don't know, people here like HKS. I think that's the stock battery, not too sure. Engine is actually really clean and it's surviving here. Pretty impressive if you ask me. I think screws for one of the vents is missing, or just covers rather. Separator. Sounds tip top. Let's get the lamps on. This hood is really light. I think it's aluminium one, so I'm not mistaken. Straight pipe is pretty large. You can hear it all the way from down the road. It's actually a really quiet place, but yeah. Turbo timer and everything. Strange work. The car's already been warmed up. We drove it this morning, so let's rev it a bit. As you can hear, it's actually pretty loud. Let's get it from the rear. One from the engine bay. Camera doesn't fall. Funny enough, the WRX has lost really better compared to the STIs that I found here. My cousin told me that a lot of the STIs here are actually breaking down. The WRXs are coming out tops. Not too sure why, but I'll research that. And there you have it. I hope this has been a good in-depth tour.